So because I realize I have to occupy myself today. And I really had on the whole game thing where some now work until next week. Besides say I make one like a little feeding pan or so with my chicken them. So I had a bucket that paint the day and night and I try using knife to get out paint wet. Dry on the edge. So far it work. I mean like more on this for the more on that little angler for the panta paya so but I try to figure out another way. Maybe me can like work up a hole in this in the bottom of this, put something on that like a little bucket cover, and what will happen is when the chicken them pick whatever they done as the feed over there in this just come down more. So that's simple like that. Wash it out. That's exactly what you want to wash it out. Kawacha. The water in there have a little rainbow color. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's a paint. The left behind of the paint, man. Now, I don't want to mess it up, so I feel like this I need some soap. Be right back. So we need a bucket cover. Bucket cover needed, bucket cover found. And let me see another one right there. So auntie tell me say they not use, so I can take them and I can use them for exactly what I want. So I can show you in a second what does the bucket they look like now. So let I show you. The bucket covered like that, so then the buckets. I'll show you a technique I decide to go with is hole in the bucket. So far so good. Now soon show me finished product in like a second. See them clean and they ready now. I'm showing you the idea. So damn. Wanna see? You see the vision? I'm not see vision yet. Ready? Alright, so I take out the wire them out of the bucket. I'll have to cut them off and then pull them out. Simple. Get one pliers, man, straighten them and show them how I do with it. Alright, now I'm take the wire and the pliers and straighten it. Now I use each wire for each respectful bucket. I go poke a hole in this deep so it can match up with that and hook it somewhere in that so the feed not go through. In front of the top, actually let me put it the right way. I think that's something I can actually do it. No, it's just smart. I try to figure it out. Like, yeah, see vision? I'm put it on. Like, look on the vision. Look on it. Yeah, that can work. So, this is the vision, right? But I put it too high. So I'm gonna end up well, make another hole down here, so probably way down here, so and way down here, so it can even out for this, because I think this will work. Look, it could, it could, but you can work with it like that. All right, so I poke 1, 2, 3, 4 hole on each side. I'm making sure I'm gonna do to it. Alright, see that? Come to life. Oh! Okay, that is kind of clumsy on me, but I'm my fault still. Alright, now watch out. Now what I'm gonna do is make a bore one hole right there, so. And right there, so. To connect with then one right there, so then hole with the right there, so. And I'm gonna use this to come out of the friggin' something to do that. Okay, people. By the time I'm done, it's supposed to look like this. See it? Or you're seeing the dream, my friend? I'm gonna put it on right here, Sophia. Look at it. So, basically, what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna nut the end of this to the bottom underneath. So, basically, I can adjust this anyhow I like now. I can push this a little deeper, make it go down, then use something there and kind of twist it a little bit so it bend underneath, because this a whole heap of space for feeding go down, but this definitely I'm put in there, keep it stable, and then that's a hot. Anyway, this kind of keep it stable underneath and level. So I can finish it up and show now. I can bring it down a little bit more and show now. With everybody. Alright, nobody not really excited if nobody actually watches, but still me kind of excited because I may do it on my one time because I made bored, even though I did something I did want to do for a good while now. But anyway, I never cut off the two ended, I just knock them because I say suppose I can need them or suppose I want to adjust it, so nobody. So basically, feeding going here, so, and it goes right on the cover and it's spread out. I'm going to show a demonstration at the end. So it's spread out and we can adjust this however I like. Sorry, I don't really have no something today, no stand to help me. Just there, I do this raw from Hannah. So this is one of them. I'm about to do the second one over there, so, and that bucket I'm going to use. That bucket is supposed to easier because less feed now can make it less wide, so that I make it way better and way easier. And I'm supposed to do it quicker because I have a whole idea for look on now. So let's catch this right here, and then by the time we're done, I can get one wire or I can put in in here, so I can bore another hole so, and yeah, so hook up a wire so I can hook it up in a feeding coop, and make the feed then can get their feed, you know what I'm saying? Alright, okay, so it end up work. It is hard for put on, but it work and it go back and forth. Now what time for put in that, cut it in two, put it in through the hole there, put it in through the hole there, come through the hole there, in through the hole there, in the hole there, and tie both of them, and I'm done. Okay, alright guys, I'm done. Rate them from 1 to 10. Alright, so there now, get some feeding, train them and test them. Alright. Our copper layer feeding, layer crumble to be exact. I want to test it much. So throw it from in top here, so, and well, it's supposed to be on flat still, so let me do that and make that right. So see that now? So one of them, and it's bad, man, it's working. So you can throw as many feed as you want inside here, so, and when the chicken start eat go say feeding up here, so chicken start eat, as them eat, more come down through here, so make a rest this in there. Actually no, not yet. Make a put one wire on it and probably tie it up somewhere I wanna the hang of them. Probably that me I could do. Me I could actually do that right now. Give me a second. Tell me how it look. Eh? How it look? Tell me how it look. Tell me how it look. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Okay. So decide. Me attach one card to it. I'm gonna go turkey looking punk them. Then see it. Look on them. Look on them. Look on them. Oh no, eat off on the ground again. Me not throw no feed in the ground. I try and make 2 feeding pan from scratch. Hope I appreciate it. Don't play me, no. Don't play me. Go back inside. Go back inside on the big belly self. Alright, so this is a footage. Had a look at tough turbot. Now I eat. But them a come in, them a check it out and realize they feeding it. Oh, please eat it, please. Just try this up now. Let us see them feeding. Why you not trust it? I said I move around too much. Right now, sweat a drip off of my face. No drip on my phone. You don't always eat it from a hand. What the difference? See, you eat it from a hand. See it there, right there, so. So you trust it now because I'm show you. Yes, that is what I wanted. Now I just want to make sure say it's stable enough. None of them not really pop it down. Oh, I don't like it. Good, very good. That's very good. I'm gonna keep producing me eggs now. So, well, I've told them I test it out already. Them I show everybody else say, yeah, so it work. You know what I'm saying? Just come in, get your meal and all of that. Well, today was an absolute success. Get back in and make a creative type of me and build something. So I feel proud of myself with that. Yeah. Nobody don't ask me when I look like shit, but just come up and check some of turbot them and watch it. Ooh, they love it. They love it so much. Then I'm straight through the day. Watch him. Well, that it's so easy and it take up my time. Next thing I'm gonna make is a water pan. Okay, automatic water pan, so it's gonna be full up and then can just drink. And each time then drink, the water go back. More water go fill it up, so it not go get empty. But it's like a little bit more difficult and tedious than just using normal bucket and cover still.